So how to open up a savings account on Santander using the Santander app. So when you're on the main page, you just want to click on products and offers. And then once you've done that, you just want to click on savings account. And then from there, it will then give you a list of all the savings accounts that you can set up with Santander. And again, there's a fair few here, such as an easy access saver, all the way through to fixed term ISAs. So again, have a look at all of them, decide which one you want, and once you've decided, you just want to go ahead and click on the option for you. So for example, we'll click on Early Access Saver. Just give the terms a read, and if you agree, you just want to scroll down, click the I understand box, and once you're ready to apply, you can go ahead and click apply. Then once you've done that, you might be asked to confirm how often you want your interest, so that could either be monthly or annually. Then if you agree with that, go ahead and click through again. And once you've done that, you've successfully applied for a new savings account, and you'll also get a reference to be able to track it as well. So what happens next? You'll usually need to wait a little bit while they do some checks, usually within 3 working days, but it can also be done in a couple of hours. But again, do allow at least 3 working days. But you should be notified when your account is set up. But if you go back into the app, once it's all set up, you should see it in your dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.